Is your hair feeling brittle and lifeless? Do you end up with straw-like hair after summer? Summertime is probably the most damaging time of the year to our hair because we're exposing it to all these different factors that contribute to damage. In today's video, we'll explore some must-have products for maintaining healthy and beautiful hair during the season transition. Hi, I'm Yara, cosmetics expert at Care to Beauty, and every year we have clients who come back from summer vacation and ask for help to recover their hair. And maybe that's your case right now. You spent your summer soaking up in the sun and swimming in the ocean, and your once glossy hair turned dull and into a tangled mess of split ends and frizz. As we say goodbye to those summer days and embrace the upcoming fall season, let's find out how to give your hair the TLC it needs. But before we get into the products, let's understand how summer really impacts your hair. Your hair, just like your skin, can be harmed by the sun. Though it is part of our daily summer routine to protect the skin, rarely do we give our hair the same attention, right? UV rays can cause the degradation of hair proteins and pigment, which in turn weakens the hair and can lead to color changes. To the same extent, UV-exposed hair has lower concentration of lipids, such as ceramides, that normally protect our hair, resulting in more fragile hair. Now, if you're like me and you love spending hot days in the pool, we have another problem here: chlorine. Chlorine in pools dissolves hair lipids, making the hair more vulnerable to damage. If you prefer the ocean, salt water also strips the natural lipids from the hair and can cause dehydration, being a noteworthy enemy too. This is also not news, but during summer the humidity goes way up and turns your hair into a frizzy mess. All in all, summer hair damage is linked to dryness, increased breakage, split ends, reduced luster, frizz, and roughness. It's like summer declared war to your hair, so you need to give it the strength to fight back. And let's see how. Let's start with the basics. First, change your hair wash routine to include repairing shampoos and conditioners that restore damaged hair. This is the case with the Elvive Bond Repair range, which has 4 different products that work to help rebuild hair bonds. Think of hair bonds like the bridges that hold the hair structure. When summer leaves them weakened, imagine these hair care products as construction workers, actively repairing these vital connections, ensuring your hair stands strong again. Then, treat your hair weekly with an intensive repair mask or treatment. Regarding treatments, you have options like Elvive Bond Repair Rescue Pre-Shampoo and Revolution Haircare Bond Restore Treatment. For hair masks, you can choose Schwarzkopf BC Repair Rescue Sealed Ends Plus or Lazartigue Intensive Repair Mask. These hair masks are packed with proteins or amino acids that will repair damaged hair and strengthen the hair fiber to restore shine and softness. A healthy scalp also plays a role in healthy hair, and a scalp exfoliant is a good place to start. Think of the scalp as the soil and hair as the plants that need clean and healthy soil to thrive. Exfoliation cleans the scalp by removing dead skin cells and unclogging hair follicles, ultimately contributing to stronger and healthier hair. In this case, we suggest Lazartigue Exfoliate Pre-Shampoo Gel as an example. On to the next phase, styling. We all have those days when we want to style our hair but worry about heat damage. That's when heat protectants come in and work to minimize damage that comes from using heat styling tools. Try Revlon Professional The Fixer Shield Spray or Elvive Heat Slayer Spray. You should also consider adding a nourishing oil to your hair care arsenal. This type of product provides a protective layer, sealing in moisture and preventing frizz. Another great benefit of using hair oils is that they contribute to strengthening the hair, thereby increasing its elasticity and reducing breakage. And the added shine is a bonus. A great example is NUXE Huile Prodigieuse or OGX Anti-Breakage Keratin Oil. Also, when doing your amazing hairstyles, choose accessories and tools that are gentle to the hair to avoid breakage and further damage. We have a variety of trendy products for the fall season. To create stylish looks, try invisibobble accessories, where you'll find anything from classic hair ties to scrunchies, headbands, bows, and hair clips. And do you spend ages detangling your hair? Well, Tangle Teezer brushes are great as they effortlessly detangle the hair while reducing damage. Another product that can help you achieve strong and healthy hair is a fortifying supplement. Every year, as the leaves fall, so does the hair, making this season the perfect time to give it a nutritional boost. We suggest Hairburst vitamins where you have chewable and vegan options, or Phytophanère for example. And that's it! By incorporating these products and steps into your hair care routine, you'll be well on your way to maintaining healthy, vibrant hair throughout the fall season. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time!